Tonight's weather report brought to you by Suncorp, building a more resilient Australia.
G'day folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. The atmosphere is saturated with moisture and primed for showers and thunderstorms every afternoon for the next week. This makes for easy forecasting, except we can't say exactly where the storms will be each afternoon and how severe until we see them. I'll read out some of today's temperatures, but none will surprise you. 25 to 34 degrees at Cairns Airport with 60% humidity. The range at Mariba was 22 to 33. To the satellite loop now, you can see storm clouds are gradually encroaching on the coast, although yesterday we found they were mostly inland. This time they're spreading a little bit closer to the eastern seaboard, and that's because the upper level trough is getting a little bit broader and deeper. We issued a severe thunderstorm this afternoon, or the Bureau did at least, for much of southern Queensland, including the southeast coast and Wide Bay regions. Some nasty storms going through even right now. And tomorrow that'll be the same again, possibly worse. Let's look at today's chart. We've got an inland trough, probably going now through not quite the Channel Country, but more than Maranoa, Warrego. There's been a lot of rain in that area as well. But more importantly, an upper level trough is deepening on top of this system, and it's making a broad area of uplift. The moisture, of course, is being supplied by this stagnant tropical air mass that ultimately comes from the Coral Sea, and it's coming through as a northeasterly. On tomorrow's chart, the trough moves into eastern Queensland, an even more potent situation for storms right up through to the tropics. Then on the outlook chart, that trough moves offshore but then regresses again, and it'll be yet another repeat activity of storms. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Cairns waters, just light variable winds for the next 3 days, nothing over 10 knots with seas to half a metre, so boating is excellent. These king tides are really taking their time to subside. We're halfway to first quarter and they're still massive, though each successive peak is smaller than the last. North Tropical Coast and Tablelands, showers and possible thunderstorms tomorrow. Cairns 24 to 34 degrees, 32 for Atherton. Innisfail also 32 and Mariba 34 again. Looking ahead for Cairns, the 7-day forecast has never been simpler. Every day will be hot and humid with a heavy shower or thunderstorm striking every second or third day on average. For Atherton, the bulk of the activity is probably for the first half of the period. After that, the storms settle down, but the temperatures remain in the 30s. While we're on the topic of thunderstorms, ever seen lightning make a ground strike? It's pretty scary and sounds like a gunshot if you get close. This is a freeze frame from dashcam video taken Friday afternoon near Calliope, courtesy Shane McKenzie. Thanks Shane, and thank you all. Drink water and stay dry. Now it's back to the team.
Yeah, Liv, thank you very much, mate. Lovely having your company, folks. We'll catch you tomorrow night.
And a reminder that you can watch a replay of 7 News on 7plus and catch up on our page at 7news.com.au. From all the team, good night.
Good night.